Hello, so I'll be showing you how to number your cells in Microsoft Excel as you see. So let me start by deleting this so you'll not waste time entering your data like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and this one will be wasting a lot of time. So for you to do this, I want to show you the easiest way of doing this. So you come here and say equal to row function in Microsoft Excel, then you refer to a cell. So A stands for the column and 1 stands for the row. So that one will give you the number 1. So when I just drag this downwards, fill down, so it will be able to continue like that 1, 2, 3, 4 in that series up to the maximum number you want. So if you want more, you can still increase. So this one is really referencing to cell A1. So that's why it's allocating 1. So you can, doesn't mean that you must use that row. You can that cell, you can use another cell, maybe row C1 or row B1, whichever, as long as it's referring to this, the first row. Then now you hit enter, you can still also use the same. So if you want to paste this to somewhere else, you just copy, and then while pasting, let me just paste in a new cell, a new sheet. So right click, you must right click and paste it as values, or else you'll be pasting the formulas again. So you see there you go. So, and let me show you the difference between pasting with the values and just pasting the normal paste. When you paste normally, it will give you the formula in it, of which this one, when you transfer it somewhere else, it may bring you or give you the error. So you need to see how best you can avoid that. You can see here there is a formula attached to it, the function, the row function, while here there is no formula attached to it. So this is the best way of pasting it somewhere else or sharing it with anyone. Thank you.